What is the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 minus 8 all the way plus 197 plus 188 plus 199 minus 200? So it looks like every fourth term you're subtracting that number. So the way I'm just going to start is I'm curious, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way to 200? And so the way I'm going to do that is, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 200. And I want to be clear that like I'm adding up all of the numbers between 1 and 200. That is going to equal 2 times 200 times 201 divided by 2. So that's the same thing as 100 times 201, which equals 20,100. So that's something to just keep in mind there. Now I want to look at the 4, 8, 12, and the 200. Basically the terms that are getting subtracted. So every fourth term is getting subtracted. So I'm going to see what is that when added up. So basically that's the sequence. I'll just write it out as positive numbers: 4, 8, 12, 196 all the way to 200. If I want to add all those numbers up, let's see what happens. What if I just divide each number in that sequence by 4? So divide by 4. So then each number in the sequence becomes 1, 2, 3. 196 divided by 4 is 49, and then 50. So what happens if I sum all of those numbers up? Well, let's take a look. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 49 plus 50. That's going to equal, that equals 50 times 51 over 2, which is 25 times 51, which is, if I do that out, that should be 1,275. Notice that if I want to add up 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 186 plus 200, I just have to do 4 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 200. And since I know that, so basically what I'm trying to find is 4 plus 8 plus all the way to 200 equals that. And since I know 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 200 is 1,275, I'm going to do 4 times 1,275 equals 5,100. So now I know the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 200, and I know the sum of all the fourth terms. So the way I find the sum that I'm looking for is in that full big sum, 20,100, that actually, so in the sum we're looking for, it doesn't include, the sum we're looking for doesn't include the fourth terms. In fact, it actually subtracts the fourth terms. So I not only need to subtract by 5,100, that's as if I just added everything up without counting the fourth terms. I have to subtract that number again because I'm actually subtracting the sum of those fourth terms. So I'm actually subtracting the sum of 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 196 plus 200. So that's the reason why I have to subtract it twice. So that expression that we were initially interested in, that then boils down to this. So 20,100 minus 10,200, and so that equals 9,900. And so it is choice B.